Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. So we're just into September and well, the weather's actually alright today, which makes a change. Today is the day when I'm going to show you the final update on pumpkins. So that's the pumpkin Big Macs, and we will cut them. So let me turn the camera around and show you. Right, cut one already this morning. Biggest problem is, as I say, we're only start of September, but you can see that's all that remains of the second vine. They just really hated the weather where it's gone cool and wet. They think they're into autumn mode already, so I'd rather cut them before we start getting any signs of rot appearing. So cut either side of the main stem so we can remove that. You can hear that it's ripe, and then what you also want to do is let's just make it so that we can cut as high up as possible on the stem there, that stalk, and then that way you're not going to get any problems with rot coming from that section there. So once they're sounding hollow and they're good to go, you can basically just let them dry out. So I'll leave these outside for probably a week just to cure, and then put them in the garage. When I put them in the garage, just lay them on some cardboard and they store quite happily. So let's cut that and then do a weigh-in for you. Okay, so that's that one. That weighs in on bang on 10 pounds. So now for the second one. Alright, and that one there you can see is heavier. That's 11 pounds 8. So on the whole, a bit smaller than I was hoping for, but for the first season of growing them, I'm pretty happy, considering for, well, most of the year they were just grown in some large containers. So that's final update on growing the pumpkins. So thanks for watching the videos. Hope you like the little series. If you've got any questions, then obviously send them over to me. I'll do my best to help answer them for you. Obviously it's the first year of me growing pumpkins, so not an expert yet, but yeah, still send them across. In the meantime, keep subscribing if you like what I'm doing. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos, and most importantly, just enjoy doing your gardening, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.